What's up, guys? Good morning. This is Chris. This is Wheelhouse Trading, and welcome, hopefully welcome back to the Wheelhouse. Do me a quick favor, hit the like button, hit the subscribe on the channel, and select all so that you get this kind of content. Now, you guys know I gave you 21 out of 21 picks. I gave you the premium technicals. I gave you the hold 'em or fold 'em portfolio review. Those picks went up 49%, 18%, 11%, 12%, 17%, 97%. Go back through the videos. We didn't miss any. You watch my technicals, I hit them all, every one of them. Okay? By now you should know I know what I'm doing. So I'm going to give you something to chew on this week. Okay? I'm going to give you a couple bangers, a couple hitters, a couple from the Wheelhouse playbook. Now, some of these are up 2,100% this year. Some are up 1,300%, some are up 600%, some are up 300%. These are ones you might not know about. You probably don't know about it. In fact, you're not even supposed to know about it because these are little gems and little hidden secrets that people make money on. But the little guy like you and I, we're not supposed to. Okay, they don't talk about it on the big media outlets. Okay, now I've done the work like I always do for you because this channel is about you. It's about helping you learn. It's about showing you the right way, how to make money, how to stack chips, and how to get paid. So let's jump into it. Now look, guys. There's some stuff we got to talk about. All right. I've been trying to tell you that we got to be in the right sector. Okay. Let's just take a look at the sectors real quick. I've been screaming energy for a month before energy hit, and then I've been putting them in there. You guys have been making money, and now, for a few weeks I've been saying financials. Well, look, I keep track of this stuff. Okay. I notice if it's in there in the top 1, 2, 3 multiple times. I keep track of this stuff for you. Financials is hitting number 1, okay? Energy's moved to number 2. Staples is coming up, as I mentioned that before. But if we focus on the right sectors and the leading stocks within the sector, we're with good fundamentals and technicals, we're bound to win, okay? Because we're taking out, we're filtering, we're sifting, we're getting the best of the best, okay? So there's a couple that I was looking at, and there's a couple I'm looking at here. Now, I already gave you a sauna. I didn't even know it was in here. I noticed my AMTX and my in mode was in here as well. But I wanted to take a look at this one. This is SM Energy, okay? It is got a weighted alpha of 484.57. It's ranked number 5 for the year out of all the stocks in the top 100. It's up 1,837.11% this year. Okay, you're in the top 5 of all the stocks. You're in the right sector, and you're leading, and you're obviously on a bull run with that type of gain. So let's go take a look. We have SM Energy Company. Okay, let's just put it over here real quick. Let's do it like this. SM. And we can just click on it and take a look. All right, so look at this run, guys. Look at this run. This thing has just gone crazy, okay? It had a base right here. It had a base right there. It had a breakout here, another breakout there. It's rallying, and like I've been showing you, you want to stay above that 9. And look, this thing just bounced off the 9 again. Okay, volume is coming in. Everything is looking good. So let's go into our trading view and see if SM should be in your wheelhouse. Okay. Now, what do you see? I see that you got the blue ribbons. You got the blue cloud. You have kind of wick. You are creating a little base. So let's take a look at that. I don't want to lead you wrong here. Okay, so we got a little base. That means that we got to break out of that base. That's what that means. Now, this thing obviously has not been letting anybody down. So it's wicked up, it's wicked down multiple times, so we'll call that a base. Now, the characteristics of this stock show me that it does this. It goes up, consolidation, goes up, consolidation, goes up, consolidation. Notice how the length of the impulse is also pretty much the length of the consolidation. So the bigger the impulse, the bigger the consolidation. Okay? The bigger the impulse, the bigger the consolidation. Big, you see what I'm saying? So this thing doesn't do that much consolidating, does it? It doesn't. We got a dividend coming up. We got our earnings coming up. And let's just look at the 6 hour real quick. 6 hours bullish, which means that the daily is about to be bullish. It ended up on Friday. I think you need this in your wheelhouse. This has an earnings coming up, volume coming in, big blue clouds, big blue ribbons. You're in a major bull trend. You're up 1,837% for the year. And I could see this as, you easily getting a lot more money out of something like this. So put SM in your wheelhouse, okay? Now, this one looked really interesting to me, okay? It is called MTDR. And MTDR, let's see if I can just find it real quick for you. What I liked about this one is it jumped from 33rd place to 23rd place in the top 100, okay? It's up 393.12% this year, okay? Let's click on it. Let's see what's going on with this thing. It's called Matador Resources Company, okay? Now you can kind of get all your information on here. That's just all your regular stuff. Let's just go see more. It's 100% buy on the average, okay? Everything is a buy. Your trend spotter is a buy. Your above your moving average is buy. Look, average, buy. Everything is a buy on this thing. It's up, like I said, that 394, I think it was, on the year. It's in the right sector. It's in the top 100. It jumped from 33 to 25. Or maybe it was 23. Yeah, 33 to 23. So let's go take a look at it. It's got a big weighted alpha too. MTDR. Okay. I want to give you guys some big ones. All right, let's see what we got going on here. Oops, there we go. All right, serious bull trend here, guys. Serious bull trend, just like SM. Look at that. It came down and it's bouncing. Perfect time to buy. This thing is ready to rally. Everything looks like it's coiling up, ready to move. You're in the right sector. You got a Wall Street winner. You're up in the after hours. You're up Friday on a down day. You're in the right sector. MTDR should be on your list. Let's see if there's a breakout coming though, okay? So on this one, you're kind of coiling a little bit at the top. You're taking a little breather, which is okay. It is okay. And what you want to do is you want to break past this number right here of 44.93. So you got a little bit less than $1. You break that and you're on your new run right up, okay? You got earnings, looks like it's tomorrow. So this thing, if the earnings are super good, which it looks like they're going to, yeah. This should be something okay, don't just buy it tomorrow. Let's wait for the earnings and see what happens. But this thing is on a rally, okay? It is on a rally. So we want to kind of be buying stuff that's on a rally. So MTDR. Okay. So look, this weekend I worked 21 hours making courses, all right? This is thorough. This is everything that I know, which is a lot. And I take out and get rid of anything that you don't need to know because I already know that you don't need to know it. I just give you the best of the best, whether it's fundamentals, technicals, tax stuff, where to hunt, where to find it, the best principles, the best everything for super gains, okay, to really, really make money. And I wish so much that somebody had a course like this put together a long time ago for me because I would have been a lot further than I am now. I'm already a multimillionaire, but I probably would have been like a gazillionaire if I just followed everything that I'm putting in this course. And I'm going to make it like very inexpensive for you. You're going to learn a lot. You got to apply yourself, but you're going to know everything and you're going to get a lot from it. And you're really going to accelerate your investing journey to no end. I mean, you're going light speed once you do this thing. So in the course, I was going through filters and how to find things, and I don't want to get too into it because it's for course members, but when I was doing it, I had filtered a lot of different things in the sector where everything's rotating into, which is financials, okay? And the reason it's going to financials is because Jerome Powell is coming out and he says he's going to stop the tapering soon, and that's going to, make the bond yields go up, and that's going to make the interest rates go up. Well, who benefits from interest rates going up? People that lend money, institutions, Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, Merrill Lynch, even Visa, American Express, MasterCard, okay? All these guys are going to benefit. Mortgage companies, Rocket Mortgage, they're all going to benefit because they lend money at a higher interest rate. Therefore, they're coming back into rotation and their earnings are going to look really good. And investors like to invest in companies and sectors where the earnings are rolling. So it's time for financials, okay? So I did all these filters, and I even included a MACD Golden Cross, and all of them were coming up green. The whole sector was coming up green. That's where you want to be. You want to be in the green. You want to be diving into the vault like Scrooge McDuck and landing in all the money and just swimming in the money, right? Well, looks like it's going to be in financials. So I found this one. Now, this thing has been popping up in front of me on all kinds of little things that I do, which I explain in the courses, and I give you some sick pro tips in the courses, but this one right here has been popping up left and right in front of me for a month or so, and it keeps catching my eye, so I want to bring it up. It's called Zion's Bank. Zion's Bank. Okay, so Zion's Bank is just on a tear, okay? This thing is, look at the purple line. Look at the purple line, guys. This thing is on a run. It is a skyrocket situation. Look at this. Let's go look. I haven't looked, but I'm curious myself. So Zion stock price today. Okay, in 1 month it's up 5.57. 6 months 21.57. Year to date 54.65. I mean, these funds get 7 to 10%. So if you just put the money in Zion's, you would be up 54.65% on the year. But what you got to know is that financials are just now, you're at the very beginning of when financials are going to go. So this thing's going to be another 50, 60%, I would think. So, I mean, and you could be at Wells Fargo, Citigroup, Bank of America. You want to be in some financials. You want to have some financials in your portfolio, okay? So let's go find a couple for us. What do we got? We got this one. Okay, this one looks bullish. This one just came out of a base with a breakout and is above the 9. This is ABCB, should go in your wheelhouse. This one is FBP, First Bank Corp. Again, just had a breakout, and it broke the 9. I mean, these are good stocks, guys. I keep seeing this one too, Investors. It's called Investors, ISBC. Look, it came all the way down, bounced off the 9 and ran. That's money right there. Let's probably get that. All right, guys. So basically, short story long, what I'm trying to say is you should have some stuff in financials, okay? You can choose what it is if you want your Wells Fargo's or your Goldman Sachs, but some of these little ones for $16, like ISBC Investors, it just had a breakout. It just bounced off the 9. All the indicators are bullish, and it's at the beginning of a sector rotation, which is about to be the top sector. Okay, that's a good one. First Bank Corp, which is FBP. Just to go back through it super fast, look, it's not expensive. It just had a breakout. It just bounced off the 9. Again, everything is bullish. Okay, this ABCB just had a long base breakout, which is a better breakout, and then it bounced off the 9, which is super bullish. I also like Zion's, and I like some of those energy plays. I do want to give you another energy play as a bonus. Okay, I'm kind of getting really bullish on this particular one. This is Denbury. And this has a specific thing that I personally look for huge gains, okay? Now, Denbury has a breakout coming, a big breakout at 81.26, and we're already at 80.15. So we're like, call it $1.10, okay? We're $1.10 away in a super bull trend in the right sector. And then let's just look at Denbury real quick. I was looking at it, and I didn't get a chance to look super deep, but I was very interested when I saw this thing. Here it is. Okay, this is up 372.3% this year, guys. It's ranked 33rd. It's in the top sector. It's in the top 100. Top 100 out of 12,000 stocks, by the way. It's going up from 34 to 33, and it's basically a monster. So DEN should be in your wheelhouse. And then I saw one other one that I was kind of into. It's called NOG, N-O-G. Let's just take a look. It's called Northern Oil. All right. Oh yeah. So this one right here, it's okay. It's also in the top 100, also in the right sector. And look, it's piercing the 9 as we speak. This thing could be awesome for us. Okay. So look, bottom line is I want you guys to have some stuff in the top 2 sectors right now. Okay, that's energy and financials. Okay, they have been beaten down. Financials would never do as great because the interest rates were low, but interest rates are going to be raised, so financials are going to be booming. Energy got beat to hell, and it's in the rotation. It's definitely leading the pack. So if you don't want to buy everything, buy XLE for energy and have the whole deal. And if you don't want to buy financial stocks, just buy XLF. Okay. You won't lose. If there's people out there that invest that just literally buy the rotations. There's people out there that literally hunt executives that are buying shares of their own company, insider buying, and then they follow those reports and then they buy that. There's a lot of different strategies and tactics you can do, but following the rotation and the sectors is like a surefire way to win and to play it safe. So XLE, XLF, and then some of them would be NOG, MTDR, SM Energy. Let's see, I had you guys, that AMTX is still good. Zion's Bank is good. I didn't even get into this one, DXLG, but this one's up 2,100% this year. It's crazy. Look at this. Look at this, just a little something to chew on from your boy, okay? DXLG, Destination XL Group. I know you probably don't know about this, but look at this, 2,100%. Did you even know that stocks could go that high? I mean, this is the little stuff that these whales are getting fat on that we're just sitting here like stirring up our ramen. I mean, I'm a multi-millionaire, but I mean, I still eat ramen, I'm not gonna lie. I put a little Parmesan on there, butter, hook it up, it's pretty good. But look, there's a lot of good ones. You guys should have that Intero Resources as well. Okay, I'm going to go slow. I'm going to repeat them. DXLG, put it in your wheelhouse. SM Energy Corp, put it in your wheelhouse. It'd be easier if I could search this way, actually, by rank. Okay. I wanted you to have MTDR. I wanted you to have DEN, Denbury. Okay. I wanted you to have Zion Bank. I still want you to have AMTX. I want you to have ABCB. I want you to have FBP. And I want you to have ISBC in your wheelhouse, okay? Those are loaded with super good fundamentals, super good technicals. They're in huge bull runs. They're in the right sectors. They've hit the top 100. They're moving up fast in the top 100. They have institutional support. I did all the research for you. That should be in your wheelhouse watch list. Who loves you, baby?